Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Myself, Farida Aflatun, your maths teacher. Children, today we are going to start with a new chapter, lesson number 6, time. But before going to that, tell me, what do we learn from time? Can anybody tell? We learn from time that we should always move forward. Okay? जैसे क्लॉक पे जो हैंड्स होते हैं वो हमेशा क्या होता है, आगे बढ़ते हैं ना, तो हमको भी आगे हमेशा बढ़ते रहना चाहिए. Now children, do you know what clock do? Clock tells us time. Okay? There is one short hand and one long hand. There are two hands in the clock, and the short hand tells the hour and the long hand tells the minutes. Now look at this clock. Can you see two hands here? One short hand and one long hand. Okay? So short hand is for hour and long hand is for minutes. Now the long hand points on 12. Can you see this long hand? It points on 12. And the short hand points on 2. Okay? Can everybody can see here? Short hand is on 2 and long hand is on 12. So what is the time? What time it is? It is 2 o'clock. And how you will write down 2 o'clock? You will write down 2. You will write down O and then you will make a comma here. Okay? So this way you will write down see this clock. 2 o'clock. Here also you can see two hands. The big hand points to 12 number and the short hand points to 3. Right? So what is the time here? It's 3 o'clock. How you will write down? 3, then O, then comma here and then clock. 3 o'clock. Now see this clock. Here the short hand points towards 8 and the long hand points toward 12. So what is the time here? Come on, tell me. The time is 8 o'clock. Now children, everybody open your book and see exercise number 1 and read along with the teacher. What is written? Rais and Harjeet are talking about what they do during the day. Okay, so रईस और हरजीत दोनों फ्रेंड्स थे और क्या टॉक कर रहे थे आपस में कि पूरे दिन में वो लोग क्या करते हैं, वो डिस्कस करते हैं. राइट? नाउ आई विल शो यू द क्लॉक. सी, I get up at. Can you see the clock here? So what is the time? What time is given? So these are the things that Rais do. Okay? So Rais gets up at 7 o'clock. So how you will write down? 7 O, comma and clock. Okay? Now see the next one. At what times he sleeps? See the clock here. Small hand is on 9 and the short hand is on 9 number and the long hand is on 12 number. So what is the time here? It's 9 o'clock. So children, the rest you have to write the time by your own. Okay, what is given? I go to school at dash. So at what time he goes to school? The clock is there here. You have to see the time and you have to write down here in this blank. Now what is the next one? I come back from school at. So here also one clock is given. You write down the time here. Now in B what is written? Draw the hands of the clock to show the time at which Harjeet does these things. Okay. Now what Harjeet is doing? The schedule of Harjeet has been shown here. Okay. So here what is given? I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. तो हरजीत कितने बजे ब्रेकफास्ट लेता है? 8 o'clock. So you have to see here children, the hands are not given, right? So you have to draw the hands of the clock. Okay? तो यहाँ पे आपको टाइम देखना है और यहाँ पे आपको हैंड्स बनाने हैं. तो कैसे बनाओगे? 8 o'clock है तो big hand on which number? Small hand will be on 8 number and big hand will be on 12 number. Right? Now what is given next? I go to play at 5 o'clock. So here the time is given 5 o'clock. So how you will draw the hands here? You will draw short hand on 5 number and long hand on 12 number. So the time is 5 o'clock. Now see the next two. What is given? I have lunch at 1 o'clock. So children, now you know how you have to draw the hands of the clock. So draw the hands of the clock in these clocks. Okay? In both clocks you have to draw the hands. What is given next? I have dinner at 8 o'clock. So how you will draw the hands? Short hand on 8 and long hand on 12. Children, be sure दोनों हैंड्स आपको सेम नहीं बनाने हैं. एक स्मॉल बनाना है और एक बिग बनाना है. ओके? Now what is next? Reading time in half hour. Can you see the clock here? Now children, when the big hand is on one number, then what is the minute? It's 5 minutes. Okay? When it comes to 2, then the minute is 10 minute. जब बिग हैंड 2 पे आता है तो कितने मिनट हुई होती है? 10 minutes. When big hand comes to 3, then it's a 15 minutes. On 4, it is 20 minutes. On 5, it is 25 minutes. On 6, it is 30 minutes. So children, can you see the clock here? Can you see the table of 5? 5 का टेबल है ना ये. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25 and 5 six are 30. Right? So you have to learn this. क्या लर्न करोगे? 1 पे आता है तो 5 minutes, 2 पे आता है तो 10 minutes, 3 पे आता है तो 15 minutes, 4 पे आता है तो 20 minutes, 5 पे आता है तो 25 minutes, 6 पे आता है तो 30 minutes. See, now I will show you. Rais is getting ready for school. The hour hand is between 7 and 8. Hour hand यानी कौन सा हैंड? शॉर्ट हैंड. शॉर्ट हैंड कहाँ पर है? 7 और 8 के बीच में है. देखो बिटवीन है. So 7 और 8 के बीच में बिटवीन है शॉर्ट हैंड. The minute hand is at 6. तो जो लॉन्ग हैंड है वो कौन से नंबर पे है? 6 पे है. See this clock. Can you see the short hand is between 7 and 8 and the long hand is on 6 number. तो क्या टाइम है ये? It is half hour after 7 o'clock. मतलब 7 o'clock बज के और half an hour हुआ है, right? So what we say that it is 7:30. ये टाइम को हम क्या बोलेंगे? 7:30. और हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? 7:30 भी बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब बिग हैंड 6 पे आता है तो कितनी मिनट हुई होती है? 7:30. We write 7:30 as कैसे लिखेंगे? Children, look here everyone. 7 then dot then 30. Okay, so you have to write down time in this way also, 7:30, and digitally also you have to write down 7:30 like this. So children, you have to remember that whenever the time is 7:30, तो उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? 7:30 में हम 7 और 8 के बीच में हम ड्रॉ करेंगे शॉर्ट हैंड एंड बिग लॉन्ग हैंड ऑन 6 नंबर. ओके, तो 7:30 में शॉर्ट हैंड कोई भी नंबर के ऊपर नहीं आएगा, बट कहाँ पे आएगा? बीच में आएगा. 7 और 8 के बीच में आएगा इफ इट इज 7:30. Now children, see here the short hand is between 12 and 1. 12 और 1 के बीच में है, right? And the long hand is on 6 number. तो 6 नंबर पे है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? 12:30. We will not say 1:30, हाँ? We will say 12:30. Okay, so 12:30 और what will write down here? 6 पे है तो क्या लिखेंगे डिजिटली? 12:30. 12:30. So you have to write down time in 2 ways like this. 12:30 भी लिखेंगे और 12:30 भी लिखेंगे. Now children, see this. The shorthand is between 4 and 5. 4 और 5 के बीच में है. And the long hand is on 6 number. Okay? तो शॉर्ट हैंड इज बिटवीन 4 and 5. 4 and 5 के बिटवीन होता है तो क्या टाइम हुआ होता है? 4:30 और 4:30. Now children, in your exercise number 2, first everybody read the question. What is written here? Write the time on the clocks in 2 different ways as shown. 2 different ways यानी हमको हाफ पास भी लिखना है और हमको डिजिटली भी लिखना है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखो, where is the long hand? Long hand is on 6 number and short hand is between 5 and 6. 5 और 6 के बीच में है तो हम 5 नंबर को लेंगे, 6 नंबर को नहीं लेंगे. तो what we will write down here? 5:30. And what we will write down here? 5:30. Okay? Now children, here also can you see the short hand is between 8 and 9. 8 and 9 के बीच में है तो हम कौन सा नंबर लेंगे? 8 लेंगे, 9 को नहीं लेंगे. ठीक है. And where is the long hand? It is on 6 number. So what will be the time here? What will write down? Come on, think and say. The time will be 8:30. And what we will write down in the box? 8:30. Now children, the rest too you will do it by your own. And now see the question number 2. What is written? Draw the hands of the clock to show the time. Can you see one clock over here? Here the time is mentioned but the hands are not there. Hands are missing in the clock. तो आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे आपको hands बनाने हैं. And as I told you, you have to draw the hands in such a way that one hand should be small and one hand should be big. मिनिट हैंड आपको बड़ा बनाना है और आवर हैंड आपको छोटा बनाना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 6:30 है तो 6 आवर्स का हैंड यानी कि 6 शॉर्ट हैंड हम 6 के ऊपर करेंगे पॉइंट और लॉन्ग हैंड ऑन 6. So before drawing the hands, you will write down the numbers here. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे नंबर्स लिखने हैं. आपको नंबर्स पता है ना क्लॉक के? यहाँ पे 12, देन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, वैसे आपको 12 तक लिखना है. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द हैंड्स? Here 6:30 is there. So minute hand where you will draw? On 6 number. And here 6:30 is there. So our hand between 6 and 7. Okay. So this way you will draw. Again I am telling you have to first write down the numbers and then you will draw the hands. Now see the next one. What is the time given here? 4:30. 4:30 means 4:30, right? In this clock also, first you will write down all the numbers. आप नंबर लिखोगे तो ही आपको पता चलेगा, ठीक है? So 4:30 means 4:30. तो मिनट हैंड हम कहाँ पे बनाएंगे? On 6 number. And where will be the hour hand? 4:30 है तो 4 और 5 के बीच में बनाएंगे. So this way you will draw the hands of the clock. So children, now you have to watch the clock at your home. ठीक है? आप क्लॉक को अच्छे से वॉच करना और आपको टाइम देखते रहना है. ओके? Now children, what is your homework? You have to complete exercise number 1. Okay? In exercise number 1, A and B you have to complete it, and question number 2 you don't have to do right now. Okay? After that you have to complete exercise number 2. So all this work you will complete it in your Canopy book on page number 85 and page number 86. Okay children, bye.